So these are all the seasonings that I am going to use on my roast chicken. I combined all together and this is how it is looking. So the next step is to clean the chicken properly. I already cleaned the inside with some lemon and vinegar, so now I'm cleaning the outside. Normally when I'm cooking chicken I would remove the skin, but because I'm going to roast the chicken I need the skin for protection, so I'm just using the lemon to clean the skin entirely. So once I'm done cleaning the skin, I rinse thoroughly under some cold running water. So the next thing I'm doing, I'm pat drying the chicken. I want to remove all the excess water from my chicken. So as you can see, I'm punching some holes all over the chicken, and this will allow the seasoning to soak deeper inside the chicken. So once I'm done punching the holes, I'm pat drying again to remove the excess water. So before I season the chicken, I'm drizzling some oil all over the chicken. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or any oil of your choice, and this will make the seasonings hold better onto the chicken. So now I'm adding the seasonings to the back, the front, and inside. So you want to massage the chicken and push the seasoning directly onto the chicken. So these are the seasonings that I'm going to stuff inside the chicken along with some jerk seasoning. I'm also going to put some butter inside of the chicken with the seasoning. So now that I'm done stuffing the chicken, I'm going to sew up to hold the seasoning perfectly inside. The next thing I'm doing is to tie the legs together. So I already went ahead and greased my baking tin with a generous amount of butter, because even though it is roast chicken, you still need to have some moisture to it. So now I'm going to wrap with some foil paper. So now I'm going to put the chicken in my preheated oven on 350 degrees for 1 hour. It's now 12:26, so at 1:26 I'm going to remove it.
1 hour later.
So this is how the chicken is looking at 1 hour, and as you can see, I have a lot of juice there, and this juice is what I'm going to use to make the sauce. So just continue watching to see the end result. I'm also going in with some carrots and some Irish potatoes. So now I'm going to put back the chicken into the oven for another 45 minutes to 1 hour without covering. So now is the time when the chicken is going to take its own little time and roast.
A few moments later.
So yes guys, this is how the chicken is looking at 45 minutes. As you can see, it is getting there. It's getting a nice brown color. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the juice. I'm going to throw off the juice from the chicken, and then I'm going to put it back in the oven to continue roast. So now it's time to flip over the chicken so the other side can get that nice brown color as well. Now I put her back in the oven to get the other side golden brown.
A few moments later.
And this is a moment that we have been waiting for. This is the end result. This is how my roast chicken is looking, really nice golden brown with my carrots and my Irish potatoes. So guys, please let me know what you think about my roast chicken recipe. Please comment, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe and turn your post notification on so you won't miss another great recipe. This is how my dinner is looking. I served with some string beans, some rice and peas, and some veggies. So thank you all for watching. Remember to comment, leave a like on this video, subscribe, and I will see you all on my next video.